we are going to talk about cube numbers and cube roots. Okay, so the cube of an integer is what we call a perfect cube. Yep, we're on page 2. Yeah. So just like we did with our perfect squares, please turn to page 4. Okay, a perfect cube means we have a number to the third power. So 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 cubed, okay, so Ryan, what is 2 times 2 times 2?
8.
Yep. What's 2 times 2? Times 2. Oh. Yeah. 3 times 3 times 3. And when that, anyone have that for me off the top of their head?
Wait, what? Oh, 27. You were good.
16. It's 20.
4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125. 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343. 8 cubed is 512. I know, right? 9 cubed is 729. And what's 10 cubed?
4,000.
Okay, so what I'd like you to do is take these numbers and we're going to write them right here. 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8.
Where is it? Yeah, so I remember my skin in my head.
What are you looking at?
Cordell, we need to be open.
I know, I just got back.
Oh, okay. All right, so why are we talking about perfect cubes? Well, we are also going to discuss cube roots. Okay, so the opposite of cubing a number is finding the cube root. Okay, and you'll notice that now on our little radical sign, there's a cute little 3. That's how we decide the difference between a square root and a cubed root. A square root's not going to have that cute little number there, but a cube root is going to have that cute little 3 right there. Okay. Now, all integers are only going to have 1 cube root. Do you remember how square roots, we had 2, a positive root and a negative root? Well, there's only 1 cube root for every integer. So, like I can give you 8. What cubed gives me 8? Okay, so 2 is the cubed root of 8. Because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Okay, now what about negative 8? Oh, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. So what you're going to see here is that we can have negative numbers underneath a cube root. That is okay. It's not okay under a square root, but it is okay under a cube root. What?
You just
said
my whole brain right there.
I thought you said there was only
Okay.
one.
Yeah. There's no other way to get 8 out of 3 of the same number than 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we do negative 2, we get negative 8.
Yes, because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive and times another negative. is a
Right.
negative.
So what I'm saying, it's okay to have a negative number right here.
Yeah, because it's the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
not what you said before.
Yesterday, we didn't have negatives underneath. Go look at
You're
your,
the outside.
we had negatives on the outside, but not the inside.
What's the difference?
That's what I said. Because one's a square root and one's a cube root. Okay. All right, so let's go back to page 4. Well, yeah, now we're going back to page 4 because we're going to fill in this chart. Our cube root. Yes, the cube root of 8 is 2. Oh, Jada already did this.
It's all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey.
Okay, we know that 2 cubed is 8. And so if 2 cubed is 8, the cubed root of 8 is 2. We know that 6 cubed is 216. So the cubed root of 216 is 6. That little cube, that little 3 on our radical is asking, hey, what cubed is this number? What cubed is this number? What cubed is this number? Okay, so now let's go back to page 2. For the last time, you want to switcheroo and eat more again. All right, the cube root of 64. So if we look at our chart, what number to the 3rd power gives us 64? 64.
What? 8 times 8 is 64.
It's just the only, that's the only one.
Did them all.
Okay, 343. What number to the 3rd power gives us 343?
7.
Okay. Now notice how there's a -1 right here. Okay, since -3 raised to the 3rd power is going to give us -27, then we can say that this guy is -3. Okay, it is okay to have a negative under the radical. That's what we call that. It's okay to have a negative under the radical when it's a cube root. Jada, what is the cube root of -1?
Isn't it 1? -1?
Jada? Okay, Ryan, this is becoming a problem.
Okay, I'll stop.
I need you to listen so that when I say, hey, Jada, you can let Jada answer. Is Ryan correct? Is it -1? Uh-huh. Corin, what's the cubed root of 5 12?